How to unblock someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unblock someone on TikTok quickly and easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on settings and privacy. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to tap on privacy. And now here under the privacy, if you scroll down at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as blocked accounts. So simply tap on it. Now here you will see the list of all the users that you have blocked. So here simply find the account that you want to unblock, and once you have found it, you can simply tap on the unblock button next to their name. And once you do that, it will be unblocked from the TikTok. And that's it. That's how you can unblock someone on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.